hard wallet na may mga cards sa loob? Yes, thank you very much! My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. Audience, can you see the item he's holding? Yes. Yes! Can you see the shape? Yes. Rectangular. Again, can you see the color? Sort of parang may nag-iisip ng blue, black. Sabi, no, it's metallic. Oh, nice, metallic blue. So that is made of either parang metal-ish or parang aluminum or parang alloy, right? Squarish. Savio, am I right in saying that you're holding some sort of a hard wallet na may mga cards sa loob? Yes, thank you very much!